On the 2000 Mercedes-Benz models W220, 215, S-Class, or CL models, there is a problem that occurs with the door not functioning properly. The air reservoir cracks and breaks, which causes air leaks. The location of this problem is in the lower part of the door lock actuator. The air leaks cause the door not to close and shut properly. Thus, the door lock system also does not function properly, and in turn damages the vacuum supply unit. To solve this issue, use the No More Braking Design Air Reservoir Repair Kit. You save over $500 on the part without replacing the complete actuator assembly.